is wait for the train. Oh, I'm so excited. Wait, I can hear something. The train is here. Now we can start exploring. Come on. Whoa, so many people are boarding the train. I have an idea. Let's drive the train. Buckle up. I never thought this would be so much fun. Hey, what is that? Look, everyone. I know what that is. That's a spaceship. Let's stop the train and take a closer look. We stopped just in time. I can hear someone coming. Morning, sir.
Good morning to you too, Demo.
If my calculations are correct, it will take us 10 seconds to reach the green planet.
Hey, that's a scientist. It looks like he needs help. Come on. Hey there, my name is Demo.
Hello, Demo. I am Dr. Stevenson, and we need your help. And this is my colleague, Samantha. She is an astronaut.
Hello, Demo. Our mission is to install a yellow antenna on a green planet. Will you help us?
It will be a pleasure to help.
That is fantastic, Demo. Thank you very much. Samantha, take care of Demo when you reach the green planet. He can get very excited.
No worries, Doc. I'll make sure Demo has fun and gets home safely.
Now that we know the mission, let's board the spaceship. Bye, everyone.
I will use this computer to launch you both into outer space.
Oh man, I can't wait to press all these buttons.
3, 2, 1.
Buckle up, everyone. Here we go. Whoa! Space is so vast. Look at all these planets. I think I can see the green planet. Look, everyone. It's coming closer and closer. We're about to enter the atmosphere.